So you want to know how to choose a pen name? This is what we will find out in the next video. Hiya, it's Reni here from Reni Creative. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you've been before. In today's video, I will show you how you can find different pen name ideas for your Amazon KDP business. So I'm just jumping to my computer and I will show you how you can do that. So I'm here at my computer. The first idea I would like to show you is kdppublishing.com/pen name generator tools. As you can see here, there are quite a few options. So we have pen name generator tools. The first one is the pen name generator. We also have a pseudonym generator, I hope I said right, fake name generator, last name generator. We have Victorian pen name generator, edgy pen name generator, fantasy name generator, evil name, and legit name generator, legit pen name generator as well. So let's check out one of them. Let's check out the fantasy name generator, for example. So if you click on that one, then actually it will lead us to this page where you can see some fantasy name generators. It says pseudonym generator. This name generator will give you 10 random pseudonyms for all sorts of artists. So for example, if you go a little bit down, you can see you can choose male names. So if you click on male names, these give you male names. You can choose natural names, you can choose female names as well. And it says to start, simply click on the button to generate 10 random names. Don't like the name, simply click again to get 10 new random names. So for example, female name, click on female name again, or again if you don't like. If you like any of them, then you can choose. And always remember to check out for copyright, check out on Google just in case if anyone uses it, and also check out on Amazon.com as well. If anyone uses this pen name on Amazon, it's always worth to check out. But I will create another video where I actually will show you how you can check the pen name for copyright, and just make sure you have the right to use, and you are the only one who will use it, and also availability if you would like to go as a brand or create websites as well. So if you would like to know about this more, then remember to subscribe to my channel, because next week I will upload a video where actually I will speak about that one. But just go back to today's video. So this was the first one I wanted to show you. There is another one I actually use quite often. The name is namelix.com. It actually is already here. But I will actually, because I already done it, but what I will do is I would like to show you what I've done. So let's say, so this, as you can see, namelix.com, business name generator. So it says generate a short brandable business name using artificial intelligence. So what I do actually here, I just, for example, let's say you would like to check a pen name for a coloring book, for adult coloring book brand, and a pen name where actually you want to upload just and create just coloring books for adults. So you can choose different, you can use different names, different words. I used, for example, inspiration, coloring, beautiful, adults, and quotes. You can be more creative here. I just wanted to try out and help you out so you have an idea how to start. And you click on generate. And once you click on here, it leads to this page where actually you can choose brand keywords, randomness, name style, and select generation randomness. So the low, less random, the most direct name ideas, the medium, balanced, more creative results, and the high is random ideas, more varied results. So actually I chosen the medium, so it's balanced, more creative results. So you click on generate, and it's working now. It's very quick. So actually now you have more options. You have, for example, colorable, nourished ink, you have enchanted words, but for example with enchanted I would stay away from that, as like some stories like for kids, so enchanted, so I'm not sure it's good to use. So you have the idea now. You can actually, or color sign, for example, or not all of them is actually related, but you have quite a few ideas here, and you can choose whatever you want. For example, mango colors, inspirate, as is like inspirational, or Zella color, colored words, for example, elegance words, or worldly dreams. It's up to you. So actually you have now the ideas, and there is another one. So what you want to do, if you want to like experting, looking around, what you also can do, what I done as well, you just go to Google and write in pen name generator, for example, if you are a female, then female, if you are a male, male, and you check which one you want to like try out. So I went to, I think it was pennamegenerator.org. No, it's not that one, the namegenerator.co. So let's just check out which one I went, because there is another one here as well. So yes, I went to this one, the pen namegenerator.co. So if you click on that one, for example, then what you can do, let me show you. So you choose the gender, so female or male. You choose how many words you want to, how many letters you want to for your name. You can actually choose first name starts with, I don't know, any name. For example, if you want Sarah, for example, second name starts with, you want something else. I didn't choose any for now. First name optional, last name optional, and get names. So click on get names, and you're just waiting for the results, and it helps you out. So for example, it says Sarah Beth Ford, or Sarahan Washington. Or what you can do, if you don't put any, so you just delete and you just leave a blank, or you just leave the gender and how many would like to have, how many letters. I just leave it as 10, and you just click on get names. And now let's see. So it actually is given you more options, as you can see here. And if you want to, as you see on the right side, I actually chosen some as a favorite, because if you just, for example, Chastity Harley, then actually if you click on that one, then normally, I don't know why, or because saved names, so I just delete these ones for now. And if you go again, Chastity Harley, I don't know why, because normally it says it goes click on name to save to your favorite names list. And it did before. I don't know why it didn't want to do it. Some reason. But normally, if you click on that one, then actually it will save your name to here to the right side. Some reason it didn't do now. Or you can, what else you can do, you just create a notepad for yourself. For example, if you put here notepad, and click on that one, then you can also just write the names, for example, Carlin Estrada, and you have the name and you want to save for yourself. So actually it's It's very easy, but as I mentioned before, always check out the names for copyrights and just make sure you have the right to use it. If you like this so far, then feel free to give me a like. It would be really appreciated, and also it helps me out with the algorithm. And if you would like to see similar videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. And also remember, next week I will create another video where I actually will show you how to check the pen name you just created, if there is any availability or for copyright. So just make sure you keep yourself, on the safe sides when it's coming creating a pen name. Because once you have you are in trouble on Amazon KDP and they take down your shop, you cannot have back. So just want to make sure you are on the safe side. So this is what I wanted to show you today. So I'm just going back to the camera. See you there. Bye. So now you know how you can find different pen name ideas for your Amazon KDP business. If you would like to see some examples for low content and no content books, then tap on the screen and check out my unboxing video where I am unboxing and reviewing my own low content and no content books. See you. Bye.